What's going on, guys? Welcome to this new episode. So if you're looking to shop online with your routing and account numbers, you've landed on the right video. So in today's video, I'll be showing you the best online stores that will let you shop and pay using your routing and account numbers. So without any further ado, let's end this tutorial. So before we go any further, I would like to let you know that you can get a complete guide to the online stores that accept routing and account numbers from the video description, so you won't lose or you won't be missing any option out. Okay, so don't forget to check out that description. So the first online store that we'll be talking about is Amazon. So I suggest that all of you are familiar with Amazon, and even if you haven't used the platform before, you've probably heard about it earlier. So Amazon is actually an online store that accepts many payment methods. Okay, so they make a variation from the traditional to the digital payment methods, and they understand that a lot of consumers nowadays, though they prefer the convenience of digital payment methods, some will still actually prefer to use the traditional payment methods that were once available, okay, that were once on the trade. And a good way to accept this traditional method of bank account payments is through the routing and account numbers. Okay, so you can link your routing and account numbers to your Amazon account after you've signed up for Amazon. So getting started with Amazon is very easy. You can just come to the web platform and sign into your account. Okay, you can either link your payment method or your routing account number through the Amazon account center, or by just trying to place an order on Amazon and linking your routing and account number through the checkout. Okay, and after you're done linking your account to Amazon, you should be able to use it for making payments on Amazon. It's very easy and convenient. Okay, the next option that we have is Walmart. Okay, I also assume that you already know about Walmart, especially if you're located in the US. And Walmart lets you shop from a variety of categories, living from furniture to clothing or even groceries in some cases, and you should be able to get a lot of stuff from this Walmart. And the great thing here is that they accept bank account payment, right? So you can link your bank account to Walmart through your routing and account numbers. Okay, if in case you don't want to use your bank card, you can always use your bank account. And Walmart also, just as Amazon, proudly accepts traditional methods like bank accounts. And even if you're unable to link through your routing and account numbers, you should still be able to link through the available methods or the ways that they will provide you to link your bank account. Okay, it might not be your routing account numbers, but I believe that the account you link there on Walmart will obviously carry your routing and account numbers. Okay, so you want to check Walmart out to shop and pay with your routing and account numbers. So the next option that we have is the Microsoft Store. Okay, you can get a couple of stuff from this Microsoft Store because they feature many things that you probably find convenient for your PC or even your home decorations. Okay, let's say you want things from gaming consoles to even operating systems or PCs, you should find them on this Microsoft Store. All right, and when you visit the store platform, you see that they feature Surface devices, Xbox games and console, shop for accessories or businesses, even PCs, or whether it is even Microsoft 365, you should find it on this Microsoft Store. So anything that has to do with your operating system or your home devices or an appliances, let me say your PC or your gears at home, you should also as well find it at Microsoft Store and be able to pay for them using your routing and account numbers, as Microsoft proudly accepts routing and account numbers or bank account payments. Okay, so if you're more into scoring deals and shopping with your routing and account numbers on places that will let you score even great deals, then Best Buy is a good option for you, which of course is the fourth option on our list. And whether you're looking to get computer, TVs, or even furniture and appliances, you should definitely score great deals with these items on Best Buy. Okay, so Best Buy is a platform, or let me say it's an online store that actually lets you score deals for most products that you find convenient at your home, and the way they accept routing and account numbers is quite different from the way the other stores I mentioned earlier do accept. Okay, so Best Buy accepts routing and account numbers through e-checks. Okay, so if you have an e-check that's linked to a routing and account number or to a bank account, you should be able to use it on Best Buy. Alright, so if you have a bank account, you can actually get an electronic check from them and use on Best Buy. Okay, your electronic check should of course have your routing and account numbers in most cases, so it shouldn't be a problem for you to use this electronic check on Best Buy. Another store that accepts routing and account numbers through e-checks is overstock.com. Okay, Overstock also is a leading US retailer that specializes in a wide category of products ranging from home decor to apparels, kitchen utensils, and even more. And if you scroll through the list of categories, you see that they have just so much to offer. And what I love about this Overstock is that they also let you score great deals, since their products were actually manufactured by Overstock workers nationwide or worldwide. And because their products are actually manufactured by their workers, you should be able to get them at the best of prices in the market. Okay, so if you're looking for an online store that will accept your routing and account number through an e-check, Overstock is definitely one of the options that you should consider checking. So those were just some of the online stores that accept routing and account numbers. If you need to get more, or if you need to know more about these stores, you can get a complete list from the video description. I'll be dropping that, so you make sure you check that one out. So we've come to the end of our video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and tap that notification bell to not miss our upcoming content. So I catch you in the next episode.